The other day I soldered the Vogurtime radio kit. It worked fine, but I wanted to be able to see what frequency the radio was at. Using Arduino, I was able to do just that. Here's how. First I found the analog and ground pin of the frequency potentiometer, and soldered wires to both of them. Then I connected them to the Arduino. After that I wrote some code to get a read from the analog pin. It worked and I was able to know the position of the potentiometer. However, this was not the frequency of the radio, just the position. So, I had to calibrate it. I found two radio stations that I knew the frequency of. I noted the position of the potentiometer, and using the following equation I was able to get the frequency of the radio. Next I wanted to put the output of the radio on a 7-segment display. I connected it to the Arduino and wrote some code to output the frequency onto the display. It worked, but as you can see the output varies a lot and it makes the frequency hard to read. With some stabilization code I was able to easily fix this. Here's the final product.
How businesses open and customers